Hello, World History Cardinals. I wanted to take this time to show you how to access your online textbook. So you go to your NC Ed Cloud. It says Rapid Identity NC Ed Cloud. Next, you're going to click on HMHEDLEA with the little orange letters and the smiley face. So yours will look a little bit different, of course. This is the teacher version. But what I was telling you is that you're going to go to Discover. And when you click Discover, you will see the modules. Now, I do understand that you don't have your textbook in front of you, but this particular exercise is here in Module 2 because it says Early River Valley Civilization. So there are graphic organizers. Now, I will assign this in some type of way to you, but for the most part, I'm just showing you how to get to it. So if you are in Module 2 and you want to do Indus Valley, it says Lesson 4, Planned Cities on the Indus. This is your assignment for September 1st. You'd open it and you see that you just have like a cute little box that says Cities, Language, and Trade. This basically gives you an idea of what you're supposed to be filling out. Okay, I'm going to go back. I'm going to close out of this and I'm going to go back up to the top. I'm going to click Discover again because I want you to look in the actual textbook. I'm going down to Lesson 4, Planned Cities on the Indus. I'm going to view resources and I will click on the section. And your job is to basically read over it at your own pace. And it says, as you read, use a graphic organizer to take notes. Honestly, students, if you look at the assigned part that gives you that, that's fine. But if not, you can just write this down. You can create your own graphic organizer like the table I showed you. Okay. They have little quizzes and little information and maps. It's a really, really useful resource. So that is your task for September 1st. You're just going to read over this and make you your own graphic organizer, or you're going to make one the way I showed you before. But I just wanted to show you how to get to the online textbook. It's called HMHED, and you have to listen to the assignment or read the directions of the teacher to get which module that you are to get on. All right, that is all I wanted to show you. Thank you and have a great day. See you soon.